everything from now on. Won't have to walk this road alone. Oh, my yesterdays and my tomorrows, all my laughter and my sorrow. Yeah, your heart is the only one I know. Oh, till the stars fall out of the sky and the rivers, they all run dry. Baby, you're my only one. Till the silver that runs through our hair, don't you know that I'll always be there? Baby, I swear, till my days on this earth are done, you're the only one. With every heartbeat in my chest, I will try to bring happiness, be your strength. Whenever you get weak, and even the times when they get rough, baby, I will pick you up, give you all the loving that you need. Till the stars fall out of the sky and the rivers, they all run dry. Baby, you're mine. Know that I'll always be there, baby, I swear, till my days on this earth are done, you're the only one. You're the only one I ever wanna hold. You're the only one who knows how to speak to my soul. Till the stars fall out of the sky and the rivers, they all run dry. Baby, you're mine. Do you remember back on the first night, shoulder to shoulder, playing the piano in my room? Oh, I do. We started drinking and I told your best friend that I had a feeling one day I was gonna marry you. I already knew. Now you're dressed in white and you're walking towards me. I can't believe my eyes. I'm staring at the rest of my life. I'm a mess inside, 'cause we've come so far, and after all this time I finally get to call you my wife. Two words keep playing in my head. Lucky me, I get to marry my best friend. To this moment in this room, you are the rhyme and you are my reason. I can't believe I get to love you like I do. Yeah, it's forever me and you. And now you're dressed in white and you're walking towards me. I can't believe my eyes. I'm staring at the rest of my life.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the ceremony that will unite Kieron and Joanna in marriage. We gather here today to celebrate their unity and to honour their commitment as they look to a very happy future together. Today, you are declaring your love to the world, and we rejoice with you and for you. In marriage, you have both chosen to strengthen each other in difficult times and to celebrate together in good times, while always remembering to cherish each other as unique and very, very special. There is great joy in a commitment in which love between two people makes possible a richness and a sense of fulfillment that neither could experience alone. This celebration is the outward sign of an inward union of hearts. And as such, marriage is the tenderest and the most trusting of all relationships in life. Believe in yourselves, believe in each other. In this spirit, your marriage will radiate and bring strength, peace, and everlasting love to both of you and all of those that are closest to you. Do you take Joanna to be your lawful wife? Will you love her, comfort her, honour and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep only unto her for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
And Joanna, do you take Kieron to be your lawful husband? Will you love him, comfort him, honour and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep only unto him for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I, Kieron, take you, Joanna,
I, Kieron, take you, Joanna,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
and my one true love.
and my one true love.
I will trust and respect you.
I will trust and respect you.
I will laugh with you
I will laugh with you
in times of joy
in times of joy
and comfort you
and comfort you
in times of sorrow.
in times of sorrow.
You are my best friend,
You are my best friend,
and I will love you forever.
and I will love you forever.
I, Joanna, take you, Kieron,
I, Joanna, take you, Kieron,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
and my one true love.
and my one true love.
I will trust and respect you.
I will trust and respect you.
I will laugh with you
I will laugh with you
in times of joy
in times of joy
and comfort you
and comfort you
in times of sorrow.
in times of sorrow.
You are my best friend,
You are my best friend,
and I will love you forever.
and I will love you forever.
For thousands of years, those in love have exchanged rings as a token of their vows. Your rings say that even in your uniqueness, you have chosen to be bound together.
Now you're dressed in white and you're walking towards me. I can't believe
My commitment to you
My commitment to you
will never fail,
will never fail,
and with this ring,
and with this ring,
I promise my love.
I promise my love.
foreign after all this time. I finally get to call you my wife. Two words keep playing.
My commitment to you
My commitment to you
will never fail,
will never fail,
and with this ring,
and with this ring,
I promise my love.
I promise my love.
And you are my reason. I can't believe I get to love you like I do.
Now, let it be known that by joining hands at this moment and looking into each other's eyes, you are joined, body and soul, in this lifetime. And that this is a sacred and eternal bond between you. In your married life together, may you love deeply, laugh heartily, practice patience, and smile often. May you dream together, grow, give, and trust enough to give in. May you see many sunrises and savour every special moment together. May you rediscover one another, listen carefully to each other, and always have open hearts. Kieron and Joanna, you have now exchanged these vows
Sure.
and these rings. It therefore gives me the greatest pleasure to pronounce that you are husband and wife. And now, sir, please kiss your bride.
Trying to picture my life without you is like trying
Ladies and
to
gentlemen, I'm going to ask
imagine
you to
the
please
sky
put your
without
hands
blue
together,
doesn't
raise your voices,
make
and give a
sense.
huge welcome for
And I
Kieron
wouldn't
and Joanna.
wanted to.
If I could capture this moment and hide it away, I'd come back and live it again every day. Just the two of us. As the music plays,
Dance with me, I'll sweep you off your feet. It will be you and me for the rest of our lives. Dance with me, this is how love should be. Just you through the next 100 years. We'll share in our victories, we'll share in our tears. 'Cause together, what do we have to fear?
Together we'll age like the grapes of the vine, and our love will grow and get sweeter with time. But for right now, put your hand in mine.
Dance with me, I'll sweep you off your feet. It will be you and me for the rest of our lives. Dance with me, this is how love should be. Just you and me for the rest of our lives. Dance with me. When I look into your eyes,
Forever's what I find.
our hearts keep perfect time. Dance with me, I'll sweep you off your feet. It will be you and me for the rest of our lives. Dance with me, this is how love should be. Just you and me for the rest of our lives. Skarbie, jak patrzę na ciebie, skarbie, ja nadal nie wierzę, że Bóg dał mi taką kobietę. Muszę ci powiedzieć, że wyglądasz tak pięknie, pięknie. Pozwól mi zabrać cię stąd gdzieś, gdzie nikt nam nie przerwie. Pozwól mi być, proszę, pozwól mi żyć, proszę, pozwól mi. Wieczorem położysz się ze mną, obejmę cię tak, by to wszystko spłynęło z nas już. Cieszmy się znów, patrz mi się w oczy i przysuń do ust. Skarbie, nie cierpię tak życia bez ciebie. Uśmiechaj się więcej, bo dziś w tej sukience wyglądasz tak pięknie, pięknie. Pozwól mi zabrać cię stąd gdzieś, gdzie nikt nam nie przerwie. Pozwól mi być, proszę, pozwól mi żyć, proszę, pozwól mi. Jestem zakręcony, bo miłość uderza mi w serce.
serce podnosi ciśnienie, lecz nadal